Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to the virtual class of Production and Operation Management. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the based production system. Based on production system, types of process. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the types of process. Generally, the types of process divided in two parts. First one is based on market orientation. A process can be categorized, and the second one is based on production system. In the last lecture, we have discussed the based on market orientation. Under that, we have learned 4 points: make to stock, assemble to order, make to order, and fourth one is engineering to order. So we are fully clear about this point. Now the next point, like we have divided types of process in two categories. First categories we have discussed. The second category is based on production system. Okay, under this production system there are 4 sub points. Generally there are 5 sub points, but these are the 4 important sub points, like jobs of process, assembly line, continuous flow, and batch production. These are the based on production system types of process. Clear? Okay, so here we will learn project process also. It is also extra point for your learning. Okay, so types of production system. First one is jobs of process. Before going to start jobs of process, I would like to discuss with you one example. Actually, what is jobs of process? For example, in a mobile manufacturing company, okay, in a mobile manufacturing company, they are producing number of mobiles, very wide range of mobiles. Like the price of the mobile is from 10,000 to 1 lakh rupees. In a mobile phone, there are different parts they are using, they are assembling and make it a perfect product. For example, mobile battery, mobile display, and charger, hands free, like it cover under the single product. Okay, so here what company do? Company focusing on to the specific work, like similar work divided in a group. For example, the company producing battery, mobile battery. So all batteries, like the price of product is 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, or 1 lakh rupees of mobile. Whatever battery they are using in a mobile phone, they manufacturing in a particular place only, or we can say that they are producing this product in a one place. For example, display, battery, charger, and hands free, and etc product. So all the batteries must produce in a single place, all the display produce in a single place, in a different place. For example, in a class A, they are producing only batteries of all the mobiles. In a class B, they produces all the display. Clear? Likewise, so here we can say that a manufacturing process structure where small batches of a variety of custom products are made is called a jobs of process. Clear? What is the meaning of jobs of process? A manufacturing process structure where small batches of a variety of custom products are made is called a jobs of process. Most of the products produced require a unique setup and sequencing of processing in these types of process. Okay, so every part or every department require a specific design or specific work and equipment for their product. For example, if they are producing the battery, so they require the machineries related to the battery manufacturing. If they are producing the display, then they require the display related techniques, or etc. etc. Here the example is paint shop, a manufacturing that make custom products in a small lot sizes are some of the examples of a job shop process. Okay, so here factory machinery centers, commercial printing shops, and other some of the example of a job shop process. It is a typical type of market of order to order production system. Only one product is made during one production cycle. We cannot say that they can produce multiple variety in a single duration, in a single time. No, they can produce a same type of variety in a same duration. For example, if they are focusing on to producing the battery for 10,000 mobile, the cost of mobile is 10,000 rupees and the battery they are using in that product. So when they are producing the battery, they cannot producing the multiple or the variety of the batteries, but in a single duration, in a single time, they can only produce like 10,000 rupees battery only. So here we can say that in a job shop process, they make clear about the production. They have a mastery to produce the particular product in a particular area. It's called job shop process. સિમિલર હું તમને સિમ્પલી સમજાવવા માગું છું. જેમ કે જોબ શોપ પ્રોસેસ એ બીજું કાંઈ નથી, એક જ પ્રોડક્ટમાં ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ વપરાય છે, પણ બધી વસ્તુઓને આપણે એક જ જગ્યા પર બનાવી શકતા નથી. તો આમાં એવું બને છે કે આ લોકો ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ પાડી દે છે, પીસ કરી દે છે, કટકા કરી દે છે. જેમ કે એક ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ખાલી બેટરી જ બનાવશે, એક ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ખાલી આપણે કહી શકશું કે ડિસ્પ્લે જ બનાવશે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે ફર્સ્ટ ફ્લોર જે છે એ આખો ફ્લોર ખાલી બેટરી મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ ઉપર જ ફોકસ કરશે. સેકન્ડ ફ્લોર જે છે બિલ્ડિંગનો એ ખાલી ડિસ્પ્લે બનાવવા ઉપર જ ફોકસ કરશે. થર્ડ ફ્લોર છે એ ખાલી ચાર્જર બનાવવા ઉપર જ ફોકસ કરશે. અને ફોર્થ ફ્લોર છે એ ખાલી હેન્ડ્સફ્રી બનાવવા ઉપર જ ફોકસ કરશે. અને જેમ કે ફર્સ્ટ ફ્લોર ઉપર બેટરી બને છે તો એમાં બી એ લોકો સ્પેશિયલાઇઝ્ડ બનાવી દે છે. જેમ કે 10,000 રૂપિયાના મોબાઈલમાં જે બી બેટરી યુઝ થાય છે એ જ બેટરી ત્યાં બનશે. તો એનો બી ફિક્સ હોય છે કે ભાઈ આટલાથી આટલા ડ્યુરેશન સુધી જે બી મશીનરીઝ છે એ મશીનરીઝ ખાલી એક જ પ્રકારની વસ્તુ બનાવી શકે છે અને સ્પેશિયલાઇઝ્ડ વસ્તુ બનાવી શકે છે. જેમ કે 10,000 રૂપીસની બેટરી બનાવી છે, એ સ્ટોપ કરીને પછી આપણે પાછું એમાં 20,000 રૂપીસવાળી બેટરી કરી શકીએ છીએ. પણ એક જ સમયે બધી બેટરીઓનું મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ કરી શકાતું નથી. એક જ સમયે કોઈ એક જ વેરાયટી બનાવી શકાય છે. આ ટાઈપની સિસ્ટમને જોબ શોપ પ્રોસેસ કહે છે. ક્લિયર? ઇન ધ જોબ શોપ પ્રોસેસ વી કેન સે દેટ વી રિક્વાયર સ્પેશિયલાઇઝ્ડ પર્સન, we require skilled employees so that we can easily get the work done by them. Okay, so here we will discuss the characteristics of a job shop process, because we have cleared the idea of job shop process. Now the characteristics of a job shop process. First one is layout. How they managing the organization, the layout of the organization. Here the first characteristics is layout. In this process, similar equipments or functions are grouped together. Like I have given you example of mobile phone manufacturing. In a battery side, in a first floor, they will produce only battery. So they will arrange the equipment, they will arrange the organization, or the layout of the organization is that way. Like all the batteries must be in a first floor, they must produce in a first floor. All the display of the mobile phone must produce in a second floor likewise. So here in the layout, in this process, similar equipment or functions are grouped together in order to minimize the material handling cost and work in process. Inventories, the layout is designed. General purpose equipment are used in job shop rather than specialty. Dedicated products specific equipments to give job shop process the flexibility to change the setups on the various machines. Digital numerically controlled equipments like CNC machines are used. Computer handling machine, it is one type of, okay, CNC. So job shop compete on quality, speed of production delivery, customization and new product introduction, but are not likely to compete on price as cost of production is usually very high, because we are focusing in a particular production system, particular product, specialized product, so the cost of the production will increase. So it is the first characteristic is layout, because in the every process we have to learn differently. Okay, here I have given the example like a job shop process, about the job shop process, mobile parts manufacturing, paint shop, factory machineries, etc, etc. Okay, here the first one is layout. Now the second one is routing. routing એટલે કે એક ટાઈપથી we have to decide the way, માર્ગ નિર્ધારિત કરવું, it's called routing. Okay, the part of the production that is being manufactured travels through various areas according to a sequence of operations. All jobs may not use every machines in the plant. Job often travel in a jumble routine and may return to the same machines for processing several times. Example of these types of layout can be seen in services like departmental stores or hospitals, where areas are dedicated to one particular products like men's clothing, etc, etc, women's clothing, kids department, etc, or one type of services, maternity wards for example, like process planning, tooling and sequences is done every time for a new order. For example, hospital, it is the characteristic is like is deciding the way of production, deciding the way of services, etc, etc. Here routing is nothing but the meaning of routing is deciding the way or marg nirdharan. So here in the job shop process they have to decide the way of production, which way they should produce, how to produce. So it is the characteristics of a job shop process. Third point is employees. In the job shop process, employees are usually highly skilled craft employees who are able to operate several different classes of machineries. For example, in a job shop process we have decided like in a first floor only battery must be produced, in a second floor display only produced, in a third floor battery, charger, hands free, like etc, etc. But when we can say that the person who are eligible to produce, to manufacture the battery, they can appoint in a particular place. So we require skilled employees, we require the employees who can manage the all types of machineries which can be used in a single types of product. For example, in a battery they have to produce the variety of the battery, like the battery which can used in a 10,000 rupees of phone, or battery can be used in the 1 lakh rupees of phone. So different batteries must require the person to handle the different machineries which they can handle to produce the different product. So here it is important to require skilled employees in a job shop process. These workers are paid higher wages for their skill levels and also need less supervision, because here there is no need to supervise the production, because we have given the work, we have decided the quality and we have appointed the skilled employees, so there is no need to supervise the work. The mode of payment could be a standard hourly wages or incentive system. The role of management is to cut a price for a particular job as per customer order. The key activity in a job shop is processing information. Okay, so it is the third point, third characteristics of job shop process. The fourth point is information. Information is the most important aspect of a job shop, as it is essential to quote a price, or we can say that we have to decide the cost of the product or decide the price of the product, bid on a job, route and order through the shop, and specify the exact work to be done, because we have to decide the quantity of the work, we have to decide the number of product we must produce. So ultimately we require the information like demand. As per the demand we should supply the product, etc, etc. That's why information being with coding, and then a job sheet and blueprint are prepared before the job is released for production, because we require the specialized activities, specialized machineries, etc, etc. That's why as per the demand we have to arrange the machineries, we have to arrange the employees. So information is very important for us. Once on the production floor, employees complete job sheets and time cards for a labor cost calculations and to update records for a costing future jobs when variations are present. An organization generally finds it easy to set the price for those job which the job has manufactured before. But when we are getting the new product, new idea, like every month we are observing that launching the new mobile in the market, so we also require the new technology to implement in the product. However, a new jobs require accurate costing of labor, materials and equipment, and accurate assigning of overhead. Tickets follow each job through the shop where time and activities are recorded. The job shop completes on quality and customized product or customer service rather than price, since it makes special custom item. Generally we can observe that job shop process is totally focusing on the qualitative products or customized product. So as per the demand we have to produce, as per the demand we have to arrange the machineries and etc, etc. That's why information is very important. Service here the job shop rarely keeps any raw materials inventory, because it is the customers who bring in the parts and materials to be worked on. The job shop has work in process inventory and not finished goods inventory, because it is made to order environment. Like many small businesses, some of job shop like example Dell laptop, they are also producing the laptop, they are also providing the laptop as per the customer's demand. So it is the jobs of process characteristics under the information, why information is necessary. Now the last point or the fifth point of the characteristics of jobs of process is scheduling. A job is differentiated by its route, its processing requirement and its priority. In a job shop, the mix of products is the main factors which determines how and when to schedule jobs. Jobs are sometimes scheduled based on the shortest processing time rather than their arrival pattern. This done in order to minimize costly machinery setups and changeover. It is difficult to measure capacity in a job shop since a lot departments on lot sizes, the complexity of jobs, the mix of jobs already scheduled, the ability to schedule work well, the number of machines and their conditions, the quantity and quality of labor's inputs and any process improvements required. That's why scheduling is very difficult in job shop process. Now here the advantages and disadvantages of job shop process, which we have to write down when the question is 14 marks. Okay, so advantages of job shop process is ultimately we can characterize whatever characteristics we have learned. We can also add this point in a positively. It's called the advantages of jobs of process. When we will consider this point negatively, it's called disadvantages of jobs of process. Like in the jobs of process, we can say that it provides qualitative product, it requires skilled employees, so there is no need for the supervision. So it is also a advantages for us. Highly qualitative work, usually it makes possible achieve a high level of customized so as to meet the customer's exact requirement, because customized production is possible with the help of jobs of process, allows significant flexibility, especially when compared to mass production. We can easily change the production system. Why? Because we are producing as per the demand of the customers, so flexibility we can observe under the jobs of process. So it is the advantages of jobs of process, makes it possible to motivate workers easily due to the skilled nature of the work they are performing, because here we require the skilled employees and we are getting the work very high level work. So that's why we can say that we can easily motivate our employees. Now the disadvantages is, first one is cost is very high because we are providing customized product, we require highly skilled employees, so the cost of the production increase. Specialized or specialist labor is required, which is very difficult for the organization to recruit them or to collect these types of employees from the market, or this recruitment process is very tough for the specialized worker because it requires very high method of techniques. It is slower compared to other methods. Yes, it is very slow process compared to other. Mass production is very fast, but the jobs of process is very slow production process. So it is the disadvantages of jobs of process. Complex jobs get delayed and have to be kept waiting in this system. It creates a multiple work in a mixed way. So many times is it delays its supply. Okay, so it is disadvantages of jobs of process. Everyone, please learn this point carefully. It is very important point for your examination. If any students have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Jobs of process is the most important questions for your examination. 14 marks questions. So be serious about this question. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. Next point we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.